A tooth extraction video offers insight into the process of removing a tooth from its socket. This educational tool enables viewers to gain a better understanding of dental procedures and the reasons behind tooth extraction. The video typically begins by explaining the various reasons why a tooth may need to be extracted. These include severe decay, gum disease, impacted wisdom teeth, or overcrowding. It emphasizes the importance of consulting a dentist to determine the necessity of extraction. The video then walks through the step-by-step process of tooth extraction. It highlights the use of local anesthesia to numb the area and reduce pain during the procedure. Tools such as forceps and elevators are used to carefully loosen the tooth before it is gently pulled out. Viewers are provided with vital aftercare instructions to promote proper healing. This may include activities to avoid, dietary restrictions, and the use of prescribed medications. The video also suggests visiting the dentist for a follow-up appointment to ensure proper recovery. By watching a tooth extraction video, viewers can gain valuable knowledge about the procedure's purpose, process, and post-extraction care. This awareness allows individuals to make informed decisions regarding their dental health while dispelling any apprehensions they may have about tooth extraction.